clouds knelt on a foreign field. The summer turned to stone. Mud clung fast to spur and heel, far from hearth and home. Banners sagged in the choking rain, no sun to bless the dead. The earth drank deep of prayer and pain before a word was said. Oh, count the breath, the storm will steal. Oh, count the breath, the storm will steal. No blade so sharp as fate made real. On the hill the bowmen stood, with yew and calloused hand. Each string was drawn like a final vow no knight could understand. Thunder cracked from wood and cord, a cruel and splintered cry. Feathers fell like funeral ash from a blackened sky. We field of a mud, the earth runs black with noble blood. Prayers are lost in wind and rain, at Crecy's field all names the same. Steel-clad lords in borrowed pride spurred through filth and fear, but hooves betrayed both rank and side, and death was waiting near. Gold spurs sank in sucking clay, bright helms were split and torn. Honor drowned without a word, that rain-soaked faithless mourn. Oh, lay them down where trumpets die. No banners left to hide. Young eyes watched from higher ground, where banners held the line. Old wars learned new ways to kill, in blood and falling time. One crown stood firm against the storm, another turned away, and all the old world felt the wound that would not heal that day. Weep, you fallen names, no song can twist the stain. From Gog and spur to broken bone, the feet remember stone by stone. The ravens cling, mud to mud, breath to breathe. Rain is death. Mark the ground where pride was spent, where prayers and promises were rent. Let the sky forever weep for Crecy's sons who never sleep. The rain still falls on foreign soil, where iron dreams lie still, and every drop that strikes the earth remembers what is.